day to all of you, my dear grade 4 learners. I am your math teacher, Mr. Julius Peredo Bunagan, and you can call me Sir Jules, ang matulis na guro from Malabo Pilot Elementary School. Get ready with your pen and notebook for you to write on the important points. And as we go on with our lesson, you will be asked to solve and answer some questions. Don't worry, kids. As long as you listen and watch carefully, you will be madaling matuto, after which you will become matalino. Make sure that you have already eaten your merienda or breakfast. And of course, you have already set your mind free from noise and any distractions. Let's go! Take a look at this. What are the boys doing? Very good. The boys are measuring the lot. They are going to make a vegetable garden, maybe. What are the benefits of gardening? Yes, it relieves stress and it supplies food for us. Now, what do you call the figure of the lot? They are measuring. Let's go back with this rectangular garden. How many sides the garden has? Yes, it has 4 sides. Assuming that one side measures 3 meters and the other side is 2 meters, what would be the perimeter of the rectangular garden? What distance are given in the problem? Anyone who can tell me the distance? Great! One side of it has a distance of 3 meters and the other one has the distance of 2 meters. We call this side as its length. And this side is the so-called width. In this episode, we will learn what a perimeter and how to find the perimeter of a triangle and quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals like the square, rectangle, parallelogram, and trapezoid. Going back to our problem opener, if one side of the garden measures 3 meters and the other side is 2 meters, what is the perimeter of the rectangular garden? Before we will find the solution to our problem, let's first define what a perimeter is. Perimeter is the distance around two-dimensional shape. The perimeter of a polygon is the sum of the length of its sides. Going back to the rectangular garden having the length of 3 meters and width of 2 meters. What is its perimeter? In finding the perimeter, we use the formula P is equal to 2 times L plus 2 times W, or P is equal to length plus width plus length plus width. Since the length of the garden is 3, we multiply it by 2 plus 2 as its width, multiplied by 2. Since the length of the garden is 3, we multiply it by 2 plus 2 as its width, multiplied by 2. Take note, children, that 2 in the formula is constant and it will not change. Therefore, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 times 2 is 4. So, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Or the other formula, which is length plus width plus length plus width, where L stands for length and W is the width. We come up with this solution. P is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. We add all the sides, so 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is equal to 10. Therefore, the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 10 meters. That is how to get the perimeter of our rectangle. Now, try to get the perimeter of this rectangle. Using the formula, P is equal to 2 times L plus 2 times W, or length plus width plus length plus width. I will give you 15 seconds to answer. Go! Okay, let's see if you have done it correctly. P is equal to 2 times L plus 2W. 2 times 15 as the length of the rectangle plus 2 times 10 as its width. We multiply 2 and 15 equals 30 plus 2 multiplied by 10 equals 20. Then, find the sum. 30 plus 20 equals 50. So, the perimeter of this rectangle is 50 centimeter. Who among you got the correct answer? Great job! Children, what is this? Yes, a neckerchief. What reminds you of this? Nice! Did you miss scouting? Do you consider scouting as a virtue? Yes, of course. Because through scouting, you will learn to be trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. Going back with this neckerchief, what is this figure? Or what is the figure of the neckerchief? What kind of polygon? Very good. The neckerchief is in figure of a triangle. As you can see, how many sides? Yes, a triangle has 3 sides. Let's take for instance, if 2 sides of the neckerchief are 55 centimeters and the other side is 60 centimeters, what is the perimeter of the neckerchief? Since 2 sides of the neckerchief are 55 centimeter and the other side is 60 centimeter, we are going to write 55 plus 55 plus 60. 55 plus 55 equals 110 plus 60 equals 170. Therefore, the perimeter of the neckerchief is 170 centimeter. Now, try to get the perimeter of this triangle using the formula P is equal to S plus S plus S. I will give you 15 seconds to answer. Go! Okay, let's see if you have done it correctly. P is equal to s plus s plus s. One side is 42 plus the other side is 30 plus the last side is 34. We need to add 42 plus 30 equals 72 plus 34 equals 106. So, the perimeter of the triangle is 106 meter. Who among you got the correct answer? Great job! Another one is the perimeter of a square. As you have noticed, a square has 4 sides equal. Therefore, each sides must have the same measurement. For example, this square having 15 decimeter each side. To find its perimeter, we simply use the formula P is equal to 4 times S or S plus S plus S plus S. We are going to multiply 4 by 15 or add 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. 4 times 15 equals 60. If we add 15 4 times, it will give us also 60. So, the perimeter of the square is 60 decimeter. Another example, children. Try to get the perimeter of this square. Using the formula, P is equal to 4 times S or S plus S plus S plus S. A square that has 20 centimeter each side. I will give you 15 seconds to do it. Go! Alright, let's see if you have done it correctly. Since our formula is P is equal to 4 times S, we just multiply 20 by 4 or add 20 4 times. 4 times 20 will give us 80 or 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals 80. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is 80 centimeter. Who got it right? Great job! Let's move on to the perimeter of a parallelogram. The same too with rectangle and other polygons. We just add each sides to get its perimeter. But this time, we may use this formula. P is equal to 2 open parenthesis A plus B close parenthesis, where A stands for the base while B stands for the side. Let's try to solve the perimeter of this parallelogram. The base is 8 centimeter and the side is 4 centimeter. We add first the base and the side. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 is constant, so we bring down 2 times 12 equals 24. Or simply add 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4 equals 24. So, the perimeter is 24. Take this example. Try to get the perimeter of this parallelogram using the formula P is equal to, open parenthesis, A plus B, close parenthesis, or S plus S plus S plus S. I will give you 15 seconds to answer. Go! Time is up. We now see who among you got the correct perimeter. Since our formula is P is equal to 2, open parenthesis, A plus B, close parenthesis, we first add A and B. 13 plus 5 equals 18. We bring down 2, then multiply by 18. The product is 36. Or simply add 13 plus 13 plus 5 plus 5 equals 36. Therefore, the perimeter of the parallelogram is 36 centimeters. Did you get it? Very good. Last but not the least is the perimeter of a trapezoid. Just like of the other polygons, again, we simply add 8 sides. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral, therefore, it has 4 sides. So, we just add the 4 sides. Take a look at this. These trapezoids having the different measurements. We simply add 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. So, the total is 18. Therefore, the perimeter of this trapezoid is 18 meters. Take this one. Try to get the perimeter of this trapezoid using the formula P is equal to S plus S plus S plus S. I will give you 15 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. Okay, let's see if you have done it correctly. We simply add the sides. So, what is the perimeter of the trapezoid? Let's add the sides. 15 plus 12 plus 10 plus 6 equals 43. Who among you answered 43 decimeter? Very good. Kids, take note of this. Always affix the unit of measurement to your answer, whether it is decimeter, centimeter, or meter. The unit, of course, of measurement is very important. At this point, I am going to test whether you have understood the lesson. Get ready with your answer sheet. Let's take the challenge and have fun. Find the perimeter of the following polygons. I will give you 1 minute and 30 seconds to solve. Your time starts now. We will now check your answers. Always remember the value of honesty. Okay, number 1. The perimeter is 36 centimeter. Number 2. The perimeter is 90 decimeter. Number 3. The perimeter is 20 meters. Number 4. The perimeter is 86 centimeter. And number 5, we have the perimeter which is 70 centimeter. Now, count the number of your scores. Who got 5 checks? You are excellent. Who got 4 checks? You are very good. Who got 3 and below? Good. But keep on doing, keep on learning. Next time, you will get a perfect score. Congratulations to all of you. What have you learned today in our episode? Very good. It's all about finding the perimeter of a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a parallelogram, and trapezoid. What is perimeter then? A perimeter is the distance around an object, a figure, or a polygon. It is also the sum of the length of the sides of a polygon. Before we end up, let me remind you to study hard. Don't forget to do the tasks in your self-learning modules. Be patient enough to read your modules, for reading is learning. Congratulations once again, and hope you have learned a new one. This is Sir Jules Mathulich saying that the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics, after which math is mathly. God bless us all, and together we say, to God always be the glory.